This is the Yupik Organic Golden Flax Seeds. This is the 2.2 pound bag. I like these a lot. I got 2 bags of them. And they taste great, kind of a nutty flavor to them. These are non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free. You can see that it comes in a resealable bag here on the top, which I like a lot. A lot of people use these for baking or for cooking in general, or to grind them up and put it on stuff. I like to put it in my protein shakes, and I like to drink bone broth in the mornings and in the evenings, and I'll add it to that. So pulling this off of here, you can see that they are a wonderful golden brown color. They're not stuck together. I will add 1 teaspoon of this to a protein shake. I'll add 1 teaspoon to bone broth. So 1 teaspoon of this, 1.5 grams, is going to be about 8 calories. There is 0.6 grams of fat. There is 0.4 grams of carbs, which I like, 0.4 grams of fiber, which I like, and 0.3 grams of protein, which I like, and there's a little bit of 0.4 grams of sodium in here. I'll eat about 3 teaspoons or a tablespoon of this a day. And I love having the little extra nourishment and good stuff that goes along with my protein shakes and bone broth. There you go, Yupik Organic Golden Flax Seeds.